What's up, guys? So as I promised you guys earlier on, that we'll be working on adding voice over to my tutorials. Yeah, it looks as if all the videos I post, they are all speed works. So today I've actually added some recording voice over to this tutorial. Yeah, so today we are actually looking at how to work on t-shirts designs here. So see, you could see I have the mock-up here. Yeah, so what we're actually going to work on is how to change the color. Yeah, how to change the color for these t-shirts. So let's get right into it. Okay, so you come to this property panel here. Come to the property panel. Yeah, so when you open the mockup, I'll leave the link in the description so that you can get this mockup, or you can search for it on free pick. Yeah, free pick. So you can see shadow overlay, and now let me explain this. What this thing actually does is that when you place an image in front of the t-shirt, is going to make it get a realistic type of feel, like the thing is already there. But if you turn it off, see, it just make that thing looks raw. Yeah, so let's turn it on. You can see you are seeing a realistic type of, like the thing is printed on the t-shirt. If you turn it off, it makes something just flat on it here. So it is just there to help you get that realistic type of feel whenever you put or you place an object in front of the t-shirt. Okay, so let's maintain it. Now when you come here, when you open this thing, it is going to help you erase that thing in the t-shirt. So like this. Yeah, if you want to put your own logo or your own something there, you just double click on it and it opens. Yeah, so let's say I want to write red. On it. Yeah, so let me choose white and then choose my favorite font, Gotham. Choose Ultra. Yeah, and let me write red, because the first color I'll be doing is red. That's why I'm just writing red. Yeah, so center align it like this and like so. Okay, and then when you are done, you just come to like here, trying to close. Yeah, close it. When you click on it, it will give you two options. Yes, save changes to Adobe Photoshop documents before closing. So you have yes, no, cancel. So you have to choose yes. When you choose no, it will not apply the changes, but when you choose yes, it will apply the changes on the t-shirt. So let's go. Then you click OK. Alright, so the red is here, just that you can't see it. So when I change the t-shirt color to red, you will see the text on it. Alright, so you come down here and you have this yellow and green, so you make the green visible. Yeah, so you can see the first color is black. Yeah, so if you want to change it to any color, you have the white, this white thing here. You have to change t-shirt color here. Then you have this camera thing here, so you just click on the camera and it opens color here. Yeah, alright, so you just click on this. Now you can choose any color that you want. Yeah, so I said I'll be doing red for the first one, so we choose red and then we are good to go. So this red is too bright, and then let me choose something deeper. Okay, good. Yeah, so you can, this is simple. This is very, very, very simple. You can change it to any color you want. Let's say I want yellow, I want blue, I want pink, I want black, but this kind of black is not cool. Yes, so you choose something. Yeah, something deeper. We are good to go. Alright, so guys, this is all for today, and kindly subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.